This Coldwell Banker Associated Brokers Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Rochelle Lundy. This is a very nice 3-bedroom home located in a quiet rural town. Schools are MMRCU, a very short distance away. There is 1 bedroom on main floor, bath and laundry, 2 larger bedrooms up, some newer vinyl flooring, high efficiency furnace and central air. Appliances stay but are not warranted. A few things in the garage stay: vinyl siding, a large level fenced-in yard, with a large deck, 2 one-car garages measuring 12 by 20 and 10 by 18, and extra parking out front. There is also an extra exit door from the basement, and don't forget the low taxes. For more information, review the details below or contact Rochelle Lundy at 712-255-7310.